All right, so we are naming binary covalent compounds in this topic. And again, we have our guidelines for molecular compounds and nomenclature. So the molecular formula is PCl3. So what do we want to do? We want to use the Greek prefix before the first nonmetal name to indicate the number of atoms. How many atoms do we have? We only have one atom. So when we only have one atom for the first nonmetal, we do not use the prefix mono. So let's pull up our Greek prefixes. Here they are, and here are the numbers that correspond to each Greek prefix. 6 for hexa, 7 for hepta, 8, 9, and 10. So if our molecular formula is PCl3, if I want to name this following these guidelines, then I would write the name of the first nonmetal, phosphorus. I don't use the prefix mono. And then I would write trichlorine, but the second nonmetal uses the Greek prefix and the IDE suffix. So trichloride, IDE ending. Here, I have 2 chlorine atoms. So since the first nonmetal uses the prefix that is not mono, I will use it in this case. Dichlorine. Notice I don't use the IDE ending for the first nonmetal. I use the IDE suffix for the second nonmetal. Second nonmetal is oxygen. There's 7, so hepta oxide. Now, you may also see this written as heptoxide. Why? Because this is a vowel and that is a vowel. And so when you have 2 vowels here between the prefix and the name of the nonmetal, you can drop this last letter of the prefix, heptoxide. PCl5, we would write phosphorus because there's only one nonmetal atom. And because we have 5 chlorines, we use the prefix for 5, pentachloride. This would be dichlorine trioxide. And NH3, well, we know this to be ammonia. That's its common name. What is its chemical name? Nitrogen trihydride. Now, oftentimes for molecular compounds that include hydrogen, you don't often see this naming convention used. Again, NH3 is often referred to as ammonia. But if we were following this naming convention, we would write nitrogen trihydride, the answer.